everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sarah's View. Today it's the day 1 of the swimming series program. If you're watching this video for the first time, we're learning swimming in 20 days. Please go to my channel playlist swimming series to watch it from the beginning. At first, the most important thing is that you need to feel comfortable in the pool. Today's activities will help you to get there. Today, we are gonna see how to breathe underwater and do the leg kick. Come, let's go! These 3 activities continuously until you feel comfortable. That's it for day 1. Once you are done, please go check my playlist for my day 2 video. Thank you. See you in the next video.